This house was not printed in concrete. It was printed with earth. The Lib Earth House Model B in Japan starts from an idea that seems simple, but completely changes the conversation. What if the house of the future could be built with one of the oldest materials in the world, earth? That is the strongest point here. The house was 3D printed, but not with ordinary concrete. It uses walls made from a mixture based on soil, lime, and other natural components. So the technology is new, but the material is ancient. This changes the way we read the house. It does not try to look futuristic simply because it has a different form. The idea is not to use robots to create strange architecture. The idea is to test whether digital fabrication can update a material that humanity has used for thousands of years. The house is about 100 square meters and works as a prototype. And that word matters. It should not be seen as a definitive answer to every problem in construction, but as a built experiment. A real house used to test material, structure, performance, and a way of living. The system is hybrid. The earthen walls are 3D printed, layer by layer, but the main structure combines this with conventional timber. This combination is essential, especially in Japan, where stability and seismic resistance are very important issues. So the house is not technology replacing tradition. It is technology trying to update tradition. The 3D printing creates curves, thickness, texture, and mass. The timber brings a structural logic that is more familiar, more precise, and more reliable. The plan avoids becoming a single closed box. The house is organized as a set of parts, almost like a cluster, with internal rooms and outdoor spaces entering in between them. Living room, kitchen, bedrooms, bathroom, and patio appear as connected units, but not fully compressed into one rigid block. The patio is an important piece in this organization. It brings light, air, and breathing space into the house. In a compact residence, that makes a difference. Inside, the timber balances the presence of the earth. The printed walls bring weight and texture. The timber warms the spaces, organizes surfaces, and brings the house closer to a domestic scale. The walls have a very strong presence. They are thick, curved, and make the fabrication process visible. You can see the layers. You can see the path of the printer. You can see that the wall was not simply covered afterward. The construction remains visible on the surface. This may be one of the most interesting aspects of the Lib Earth House Model B. The technology does not erase the material. On the contrary, it makes the earth appear. The wall does not try to become smooth, neutral, or overly industrial. It shows weight, texture, and a kind of controlled imperfection. There is also an important technical side. The design of the walls had to consider the amount of material, the printing path, the drying of the earth, and the control of cracks. Joints were incorporated to deal with the shrinkage of the material because earth changes as it dries. This shows that the house is not just a curious image. There is a real attempt to make this system more viable. The 3D printing is not here just to call attention. It needs to solve real construction problems. The Lib Earth House Model B is curious. It feels old and new at the same time. Old because of the earth, the mass, the texture, and the idea of shelter. New because of the 3D printing, the digital design, the monitoring, and the attempt to industrialize a natural material. The strength of the house lies in this inversion. It does not use technology to move away from nature. It uses technology to return to a natural material with a different kind of precision. The Lib Earth House Model B is not a magic solution. But as an architectural question, the house is very powerful. What if building better didn't mean using increasingly industrialized materials? What if the future of the house could begin with what has always been beneath our feet? In the end, the Lib Earth House Model B is a house about this inversion of expectation, a house of the future made of earth, with walls printed layer by layer, with timber for structure, with a patio to bring in light and air, with sensors to understand the material, and with a simple but very strong idea. Maybe the next technology in construction doesn't need to abandon old materials. Maybe it can reinvent them.